Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Soumya. I'm here with the very first chapter of class 6 standard, that is components of food. This is a very important chapter as well as an interesting chapter. So I have prepared a handwritten notes for this so that it can be useful for students so that they can revise it at the time of the exams. So let us start. So, what is food? Food is a basic requirement for all living organisms. It provides us energy for carrying out daily activities. There are different components present in food, and these are only called nutrients. The various nutrients present in our food are proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and fats. So, we'll start with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present mostly as starch in our food. They provide us with energy, so they are also called as energy giving foods. We require carbohydrates in large amount as compared to other nutrients. And we can test the presence of carbohydrates by iodine test. Carbohydrates is made up of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Some sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, potatoes, bread, etc. We perform iodine test for testing carbohydrates. So how we'll perform this test is we just need a few drops of dilute iodine solution which is added to the sample of the food. If the color changes from brown to blue black, the presence of starch is confirmed, and so we can find out easily that carbohydrates is present in a food. Now we will see proteins. Proteins are body building nutrients. They help in the growth and repair of our body. They are also needed to build up every single part and organ of the body. Proteins are complex compounds and they are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Some sources of proteins are cheese, eggs, soybean, meat, pulses, lentils, etc. Then comes test of proteins. What we need for this is we need a copper sulfate solution and caustic soda solution. We'll take the food item in a test tube and add 10 drops of water to it and mix well. Now we'll add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide is only called caustic soda. Now we'll mix the contents of the test tube, and if the color changes to violet, it indicates the presence of proteins, and hence the proteins is confirmed in the food. Then comes fats. Fats are the high energy nutrients. They are needed in less quantity or in a moderate quantity by our body. Fats are the reserve food material of our body. Fat give us more energy in comparison to carbohydrates. Some sources of fats are oil, ghee, egg yolk, milk, butter, etc. Then comes the test for fats. Test of fats is very easy. We just need a simple paper for this. Fats in the food are tested by simple paper test. A little amount of sample food is wrapped in the paper and crushed. If the paper gets an oily patch, the presence of fat in the food is confirmed. Then comes roughage, or what we call dietary fibers. Fibers are the materials that add bulk to the food. We cannot use fibers as a nutrient. They help us in the easy movement of food along the digestive system. It consists of indigestible plant carbohydrates, which is called cellulose. Some examples are fresh fruits, pulses, whole grains, wheats, vegetables, etc. In this picture, we can see some sources of carbohydrates, fats. We will deal with vitamins and minerals and balanced diet and deficiency in the next video. So please stay updated. Thank you.